What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title and thumbnail, we're going to be installing some more carbon fiber goodies from F8x Freaks. As I mentioned 2 videos ago, I told you guys they were going to be sending me out the carbon fiber DCT trim replacement. So they sent me that out this week, so this should be an easy and quick DIY. I'm super excited again to be partnering up with F8x Freaks. The carbon fiber inside already looks sick, but I can't wait to add this piece. Let me show you guys what's in the box and what they sent me. If this is your first time watching, make sure you guys leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe for future content. And also use my code VATHO on F8x Freaks website for 10% off your entire order. Let's get it. Finally got the car dialed in and washed yesterday. Thing is looking like glass. Thanks to that bead maker and brake buster, car's looking mint. What you think, Aston? He doesn't care. But yeah, finally after a couple weeks, because it's been raining in Florida every day, finally got to wash my car. Super stoked about that. Alright, so this is what they sent me out. Got the F8x Freaks sticker. Again, super dope. And then we have main event. We have the carbon fiber TCT trim cover. Looks so nice. And they already put 3M on it, so I don't have to. So that makes my life so much easier. Let me get this out of the wrapping for you guys real quick. So here it is outside of the wrapping. And man, look at that carbon fiber. Looks super nice, super glossy. The weave looks super good as well. And the feels amazing, again, on your hands. And you can tell it's quality made. It's super stable and sturdy as well from the back. Again, I'm super happy they put the 3M adhesive on for me because it'll make reinstalling that much easier for myself. But look at that carbon fiber. Looks so good. The weave looks so clean, so glossy. So yeah, I can't wait to put this on. So all you're gonna need for this install is some masking tape, a super flat screwdriver, screwdriver head, the smallest one that you can find, and a T8. Show you guys. And then you might need a heat gun or a hair dryer if you don't have a heat gun, which I'm going to use a blow dryer as well because I don't know where my heat gun is, but that's to loosen up these plastic trim piece inside the car, which I'll show you guys in just a second. So yeah, going with the carbon fiber trim around the shift knob and the carbon fiber e-brake that has been so nice on the hands from F8x Freaks. We're going to be installing this shift trim cover as a direct replacement, and it's going to go right there. So as you guys can see, here's the before, here's the after. It's going to tie in so nice with the e-brake and the shift trim. I mean, carbon fiber for days. It's going to look so good. So yeah, the first step is to heat this up and to loosen the 3M backing of the badge right here. I'm also going to mask off the edges of the silver trim with some masking tape because when I'm prying with that small flathead, I don't want to obviously scratch this trim around, the silver trim around, or scratch up here. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. I will get back to you guys after I do that. And again, I'm going to be using a blow dryer to loosen up the adhesive behind. I can't find my heat gun right now, but yeah, it should be pretty simple. I'll catch up with you guys when I'm done with that. Alright, checking in with you guys again. I actually, like I said, masked off the trim itself, and then I heated up this plastic piece right here with a blow dryer just to loosen the adhesive from the backing just a little bit. And then I was able to pry in that flathead from the top just very carefully without scratching anything. Right there, it'll focus. I tried from the bottom too, but I figured it was a lot easier actually from the top. So now that I have it wedged in there, I'm going to work my way around the edges and get this plastic piece pulled off for you guys. Alright, so I'm going to pry it from the sides and it should fall off. Alright, there you have it. It is off now. It has some adhesive on the back that I'm probably going to take off. And now that this is exposed, you have a T8 screw right here that you have to undo, and then this whole silver trim will come right off. So Let me get that real quick and I'll be right back. So yeah, like I mentioned, there is a T8 screw right here, so I'm going to switch this out for the T8 and unscrew this by hand. Should be really easy. Make sure you don't lose this screw as it's pretty tiny. Put it right up here, and then this assembly should come off. Let me get this tape off real quick. So yeah, make sure you take the tape off, otherwise the assembly won't come out. Alright, so once you have the trim off, you should be able to just pry this out from the back plating. You can leave that here, and then as you guys can see, this part slides in perfectly right here, and then you could just remove that. And this is obviously the part that we're going to be replacing today. So yeah, I'll bring you over to the desk and we'll get a fitment check on this piece and the piece that we're replacing. Super easy, super straightforward. Alright, now that we're back in the car, I'm going to take the trim and put the backing plate back on it. And then we're going to be aligning these two pins right here. If you guys can see, there's one right here and one right there. We're going to be aligning them with the two holes in the chip right here, so 1 and 2. The chip just stays like that, and then you can carefully align them into the holes, and then it should fall right into place. If you guys can see by that, the fitment is really good, super nice. And then you're going to get that T8 screw that you carefully put away and reinstall this. You just want to hand tighten it, make sure it's snug, and you don't want to tighten down too hard because again, plastic around here. But yeah, just like that. If you guys can see, it's all installed, and now all we have to do is put on this backing plate, which I took the 3M off of already, if it'll ever focus. So yeah, all you have to do is reinstall that. But if you guys can see here, the fitment is so money. And it looks so good, complements everything. Look at that, carbon, 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 carbon. So yeah, I'm gonna put this piece on now, and that should be a wrap. So yeah, the piece is back on there now. I'm just gonna hold firm for like 30 seconds, and then I'll catch up with you guys. All right, so I just pushed down for like 30 seconds, made sure the plating, made sure the adhesive was all good to go, and as you guys can see, the fitment looks so good. Looks so money, looks so clean too. And then let me see if I can turn something on. If you guys can see, the light is turning on. Looks sick. So happy with this turnout. Let me get you guys a better angle. Give you guys another angle. Man, that looks so good. Let me turn the engine light on so you can see the light light up. Looks so clean. Carbon looks so clean. The weave again matches this, matches the e-brake handle, matches the trim that comes from the factory. And it just looks so sick. No more silver trim anymore, because now we got carbon fiber everywhere on the steering wheel, and now we got it over here in the center console. This just ties everything together, and again, you already know the small mods make such a huge difference. Super happy with the turnout. Shout out to F8x Freaks. Looks so good. Yes sir. And the feel feels so nice around the hands, just like the e-brake. Baller. I'll be sure to leave a link for these products in the description below. It'll be the first link actually to F8x Freaks' website, so make sure you go check them out. Alright, so all in all, if I wasn't recording, it'd probably take me like 10 minutes, but since I had to set up the camera and stuff for you guys, it took me about like 15 to 20. Not too bad. Super easy DIY that you guys can do yourself. Make sure you guys go scoop one up yourself for your car. And check out F8x Freaks and use my code again, BEATHO, no spaces, for 10% off your entire purchase. Shout out to them for sending this out. Again, I'm super happy to be working with them. I'm excited for whatever we have in store for the future. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I'm actually going to be filming another vlog right after this one. I just purchased the software for Apple CarPlay for my car. Since my NBT iDrive system is a newer version, like the 2017 models and up, I purchased the software for CarPlay, so I'm going to be coding that in remotely via laptop and Ethernet cable. I got the software from Easy Beamer, so I'll be doing that right after this video, so stay tuned. I got more videos planned for you guys. That's going to wrap it up for this vlog though. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think about this carbon fiber trim from F8x Freaks. I think it looks sick. I'm so happy the interior is coming together. The small mods make a huge difference. But yeah, we'll catch you on next week's video. Take care. Peace out.